Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to send money from Wise to PayPal as of 2025 using a simple workaround since there's no direct transfer option. So step 1, link the same bank account. Make sure that you have a bank account that is linked to both your Wise and PayPal accounts. This is essential for transferring funds indirectly. Step 2, transfer from Wise to bank. Open your Wise app and then tap send. Choose your currency and send the money to your linked bank account. This usually takes a few minutes to 1 day, depending on your country and bank. Step 3, log into your PayPal. Once the money is in your bank account, open PayPal and go to Add Funds. Choose your linked bank and enter the amount that you want to transfer from your bank to your PayPal. Step 4, wait for the transfer. Bank to PayPal transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. After that, the amount will reflect in your PayPal balance. And I have an optional tip. You can also use a PayPal cash card or PayPal linked debit card to indirectly top up your balance using Wise virtual cards. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.